Okay, this will be furnace project update number 5. We had to tear down some more sheetrock that was located right here so that we could get the ducting in, and it was messed up from the cat that used to live there. So, and then we ran 2 ducts to the big room. Alright, there they go. And then off of one of them here, we have a vent in the bathroom down here, and then one that leads over to the little room down in the basement. And then this pipe here is the return that we will be putting in the wall here, that if we go into the other room, if you remember, there was a hole back here and we sheetrocked that up. And then back there, you can't see, it's dark, but there's a vent, and then it goes up, and then we'll cap it off there. And then where the venting was cut to have a vent down here before, we reconnected the pipe, or the venting. Then we have to extend these now because it's shorter up there, and that one from there to there. Then next we'll be fixing this, fixing the hole there, and we'll be done. We also added another vent out in the big room. There's the one that was there before. Here's the second one. I'm not sure if I showed that in any of the other videos, but there it is. So right now I'm going to clean up this sheetrock and call it a night. So we also reset up my office here in the little room. So I have my computer going, reinstalling Windows 8. So we'll be back up to speed in no time.